What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Queen.
So on today's video, we will be doing an unboxing of Louis Vuitton's new Wave Multi Pochette. And I am super excited, you guys. I have not purchased anything in a long time.
Wait, before you get started,
okay,
I just need to say, if you're new here, welcome. And if you are a seasoned subscriber, what's up? And we would love it if you like it here to subscribe to our channel. So hit the bell and let your girls know it's real. Let us know you're a real one, okay? Hit the subscribe button. Okay,
alright, let's get it started. I'm so excited about this because I have not seen it. I actually got this a week ago and I've been waiting for this unboxing to actually open it. So this is what it is in. It is in the regular shipping box. Of course, I did move my address. And as you guys can see, I have not opened this yet. So, I haven't even been in person to see this because I just haven't been going into any stores at all.
We still on quarantine. We're still on lockdown.
We're still quarantining. So let's open this up. And I'll try to get a better view of this for you guys. Oh, well, this is cute. How they got
it's cute. You gotta open it up the other way.
Okay, so
here, I'll do this.
Oh, that's so.
Oh, you got a box.
Cute.
I see it.
So, oh, I do have a box. So you have the Louis Vuitton in the front of the shipping box. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay. And this is what it looks like in the inside.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out real quick. And in the box, it has my receipts. So this is the box. It is the signature Louis Vuitton box. So they always ship everything in. All right, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. So, okay. Oh, and I have the little dust bag to go to it. But let's take out the purse. Thank you. So this is it. It's in the dust bag. Let's open this up. Oh my God, she's so tiny. It's so freaking small.
Oh my goodness. This. Oh my gosh. Why is it? It's cute.
It is,
but why is she so small?
It's so freaking little. Okay, you guys. So I have not seen this in person. I've been doing all of my shopping online, and I am just shocked. I did not think that it was gonna be this small. It literally can fit in the palm of my hand. So, oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Look,
okay,
turn towards me. Let me see.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
It's so little, but it's super cute though. So in these colors, they did have the black, the khaki, and the snow white. Of course, I was not getting Snow White. No. The khaki looks absolutely beautiful. And then I have the choice of the black. So of course, I did the black and gold. You guys know that is my zhuzh. So let's just go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, I love the hardware on it. So this is the vintage gold hardware. So let's open her up, and in the inside it looks like it's all of the accessories that are in there. So the first thing, it is the chevron coin pouch. I'm gonna put that to the side. I want to see the little gold chain. Oh, there it is. So we have the gold chain to it.
I don't know why I thought this was going to be a shiny gold hardware.
Yeah, I did too, but
it's like the aged.
It's the aged hardware. Yeah, I like the blinking new
Me
age.
too. I like, you know, I like to have a little bling bling.
Bling bling. All
Every
right.
time I come on, right?
Bling bling. Okay, so here's the strap. It is beautiful. And this is the strap, and I did read that everything, of course, is adjustable as far as your strap. Yeah, can you hold it? Okay. So this is the strap, and it does have the signature Louis Vuitton that is embroidered in it. And this is adjustable too. What's wrong? You keep messing with the closure.
Girl, that magnet ain't hitting on nothing.
Oh, the magnet?
The magnet is not good. The closure, it's not good. No.
So usually on these purses, if they do have the magnet is super tall.
Girl,
forward.
Here you go. You could do this your bag. You could see for yourself. That I don't like that.
So it's very easy for it to open and close. and that could potentially be a problem because if I have belongings in there, it can easily just pop open. So but let's go ahead and put this baby together. I am excited to put it together.
Me too. It's super cute.
I'm ready to try it on. All right, my assistant for today.
Okay, I'll hold this.
She's gonna hold this, and I'm gonna apply the straps real quick. It is such a beautiful purse.
It's a beautiful bag. It almost reminds me, if you have a Chanel statement flap, or you went and seen it, the leather is kind of spot on. It's almost exactly the same.
And then all of the pieces, it also reminds me of the construction of the multi pochette accessories. It has the three, you know, it has a little gold chain and everything. I really like that too.
This gold chain is more substantial though.
Yeah, I really feel
than
like
that one. Yeah.
Okay, so this is all of it constructed together, and it is absolutely so beautiful. It's really pretty, and we'll try to get some close-up shots of this bag for you guys. We'll switch the view around. I do have concerns about, of course, is the magnet and then how small it is. I do like small purses, if you guys have not seen, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit everything that I usually do.
I think everything will fit.
You think so?
I do think so. Now, if you would like that magnet, that's like a whole another situation.
The magnet is gonna be something crazy. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep this or not, but I'll go ahead, I'll run down the deets of the inside for you guys. So it does have the microfiber lining. It does have a back pocket that is actual leather, and then for this purse, it was made in Italy. It does have the vintage gold hardware. And then all of the straps are, you can remove them, and then the canvas one is adjustable. So I really do love this. I love it, but I'm very unsure, and I'm slightly disappointed in this magnet.
I honestly feel like that will look so good on you, especially like she has the Louis Vuitton boots.
That would
the black and gold boots would be so perfect.
That would be really cute with this. Okay, so we'll go ahead and try this on, you guys. I am 5'9", remember that, so you can see how it would fit on you if you did get this. So the question of the day is, would you actually purchase this bag? And if the answer is no, what other Louis Vuitton piece would you guys suggest, or that you are actually looking into buying? Alright, and that is the end of our video. If you guys did not know, we post every Thursday. Luxury, lifestyle, beauty, fashion. And make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. We absolutely love talking to you guys. So make sure you leave a comment, and we will see you guys next Thursday. And don't forget to stay what? Chiq Squad.